Hi everyone, it's Miss Phoenix here. This week's theme is the great outdoors, and so I thought I would read you this story. It is called Caillou Goes Birdwatching, and it is written by someone named Francine Allen, and the illustrations or pictures are done by someone named Claude LaPierre. Grandma had promised to take Caillou birdwatching today. "Hurry up, Grandma, let's go," Caillou called impatiently. Grandma put on her hat and coat. "No need to rush, Caillou. The birds are always there." Caillou and Grandma walked for quite a while. "I don't see any birds," Caillou said. "We should see some with all these trees around," Grandma replied. "Look carefully, Caillou." Suddenly, Caillou spotted a whole flock of birds. "Grandma, over there! I see lots of them." Caillou and Grandma approached quietly. They sat down on a bench near the tree where the birds had landed. Grandma brought out a package of birdseed and poured some into Caillou's hands. "This is what they like best. Put some on the ground and watch. I bet we'll have some company soon." Caillou and Grandma sat perfectly still. Very soon, a little bird landed nearby. "Look, Grandma," Caillou exclaimed, "the bird's eating our seeds." Caillou was excited. He jumped up and ran toward the bird. The frightened bird flew away. "Hey, come back," Caillou called. "Let him go, Caillou. Birds are afraid of big people like us. We have to stand very still and be very quiet so we don't frighten them." Soon another bird came, and then more and more arrived. Caillou couldn't believe his eyes. All kinds of birds. "The red one is a cardinal," Grandma whispered. "The little gray one with the black head is a chickadee. They're very friendly birds." Grandma poured some seeds into Caillou's hand. "Hold out your hands and stand very still," she told him. Caillou didn't move. Just as Caillou had hoped, a bird landed in his hands. Caillou looked at Grandma wide-eyed, but he kept very quiet. When the bird flew away, Caillou cried out, "Grandma, the chickadee ate right out of my hand." On their way home, Caillou and Grandma listened to the birds singing. "Hear that? The birds are talking to each other," Grandma said. "Can I talk to them too?" "Of course," Grandma replied, and she started to whistle. Caillou tried too. "Not bad, Caillou," said Grandma. Caillou told everyone back home about the little bird that ate seeds from his hand. Grandma had a surprise for him too. She gave Caillou a little house full of birdseed. "It's a bird feeder," she explained. "Do you think the birds will come to it?" Caillou asked. "If we find a good place to hang it, I think they will," Grandma replied. Grandma and Caillou decided to hang the feeder on the back porch. "This is the perfect spot," said Grandma. "It's quiet and sunny, and best of all, you can watch the birds from inside the house without disturbing them. I hope my friend the chickadee comes for a visit." All right, friends, and that is the end of the story. Have any of you ever been bird watching? What kinds of birds did you see? What are some other things that you can do when you're outside? That all sounds like lots of fun. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the story, and I hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.